Blessing in disguise. Something that seems bad at first, but later turns out to be good. The rain was a blessing in disguise, saving the plants from drying out. Missing the bus was a blessing in disguise, since it broke down later. Out of your depth. In a situation that is too difficult. I felt out of my depth in my first job. I was out of my depth trying to fix the machine. Face the music. To accept the bad results of your actions. You didn't study, so now you have to face the music. He broke the window, and now he has to face the music. Under pressure. Being in a state of stress or anxiety. The doctor is under pressure because many patients need help. Sarah is under pressure because she has a big exam tomorrow. Hold your horses. Not to do anything too quickly. I wanted to buy the toy, but the cashier said, "Hold your horses." He wanted to eat the pizza, but Mom said, "Hold your horses. The food is still very hot." Jump on the bandwagon. To follow what other people are doing. Tom jumped on the bandwagon and played the new game. I jumped on the bandwagon and bought the popular phone. Beat around the bush. Avoid saying something directly. He kept beating around the bush about the money. Don't beat around the bush during the meeting. Speak of the devil. When you talk about someone and they suddenly appear. We were talking about our teacher, and speak of the devil, she walked in. I just said I needed help, and speak of the devil, my friend called me.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!